Affections. The affections of the Muslim are subject to the love for the Lord and organized by some Islamic guidelines. The Almighty says, "Thou wilt not find any people who believe in Allah and the Last Day, loving those who oppose Allah and His Messenger, even though they were their fathers or their sons, or their brothers or their kindred. For such He has written faith in their hearts, and strengthened them with a spirit from Himself. And He will admit them to gardens beneath which rivers flow, to dwell therein, forever. Allah will be well pleased with them, and they with Him. They are the party of Allah. Truly it is the party of Allah that will achieve success. If anyone believes in Allah and His goodness and justice, and in the hereafter, in which all true values will be restored, he will never love evil or wrongdoing or rebellion against Allah, even if these things are found in his nearest kith and kin." Islam considers all of the particles of the universe to be the creatures of one Creator, all of the human beings in any point of the universe and history to be the servants of one God, the children of one pair of parents, and confronted by a common enemy, the devil and his army. Based on the innate sense of truth, justice, love, and beauty, Islam has been trying to establish, cooperating with all of the sane members of mankind, an universal society without any satanic internal and external boundaries. No man, whether brown, black, red, white or yellow, has any superiority over another man because of his color, rank, or riches. Before Allah they are all one, and He gets most honor who is most righteous. Islam disagrees with the limited, closed and classified societies in the form of some dispersed nations and hostile governments. It invites and exhorts the people of the world to become unified again and to constitute an universal family following the truth. The formation of an universal family and the enforcement of the brotherhood is the greatest social ideal of Islam. On it was based the Prophet's sermon at his last pilgrimage, and Islam cannot be completely realized until this ideal is achieved. Islam is the nearest way of conducting the members of the human family to the plain truth and justice and love criteria and to the permanent happiness. We have to help each other in righteousness and piety, not in perpetuating feuds of hatred and enmity. We may have to fight and put down evil, but never in a spirit of malice or hatred, but always in spirit of justice and righteousness.
Abu Ja'far said to me, "But rather, he worships Allah, the one who recognizes Allah. So, as for the one who does not recognize Allah, so rather he is worshipping him like this, under dark covers of kufr, erroneously." I said, "May I be sacrificed for you." So what is the recognition of Allah? He said, "To ratify Allah mighty and majestic, and to ratify his Prophet, Muhammad, and to love the Master of the Commanders Ali, and the Imams of the Guidance, and to follow along with them, and to hate their enemies." Like this, Allah mighty and majestic is recognized. Please pay attention to the statement, to love the Master of the Commanders Ali, and the Imams of the Guidance, and to follow along with them, and to hate their enemies are pillars of worshipping Allah. Reference: Al-Kafi Volume 1. The Book of Divine Authority. Chapter 7. Hadith 1. Subject: Recognition of the Imam and the referring the matters to him.